In Ottawa County this morning, strong winds blew the roof off of a horse barn in Talmadge Township, scattering debris everywhere. 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker is joining us now live. And Charlie, how are the conditions there, and do you know if anyone was hurt?
Kirk, what we're hearing from neighbors, talk to just a few people, including the tipster who originally flagged this off to this location. The word from them is that nobody was hurt. This is the roof of a horse barn that is situated to the right of the house that it blew off of. A number of folks milling about in the yard. You can see this debris field. It's pretty wide. Take a look at this, though. Wind just seemed to take this cleanly off that barn. You could just see these segments of roof were picked off and dropped in some cases several hundred feet away, so not sure what the situation there was. But again, you can see little bits of wood everywhere. You can see light fixtures taken off, the wiring taken off as well. Everything just kind of wholly stripped from the top of this barn. And again, they are just out there processing the damage. They did ask us to stay away from the property out of respect as they navigate that process. Again, just figuring everything out. But thankfully, it seems like, again, nobody was hurt. We are working to learn more on that, though, from first responders just to get that confirmed, in addition to what exactly caused this. But certainly some high winds on the drive out here. This is just east of 40th on Johnson in Talmadge Township, which is where we are right now, just off to the side, staying safe out here and monitoring the situation. But I'm counting, maybe 6 pieces separately of this roof, including one just behind me here. If you'd pan over to the side here, you can see one actually seemed to impact the front of this house. We couldn't get a good look at that, couldn't get close enough, and some more debris in the front yard. So again, quite the debris field. We'll be out here monitoring the situation. Best advice is to stay safe. In the meantime, though, we're going to send it back to you in the studio. Charlie Tinker live in Talmadge Township.